10 Best Places to Visit in Spain. Hola, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a virtual journey to one of the most vibrant and diverse countries in Europe, Spain. From stunning beaches to historic cities, Spain has something for every traveler. So, grab your sangria and let's explore the 10 best places to visit in Spain. Number 1. Barcelona. Barcelona, the vibrant capital of Catalonia, captivates travelers with its unique blend of ancient charm and modern allure. This Mediterranean city is a treasure trove of architectural marvels, most notably the breathtaking Sagrada Familia, a masterpiece envisioned by the renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. As you stroll along the bustling thoroughfare of La Rambla, you'll encounter street performers, flower stalls, and an array of shops, making it a true emblem of Barcelona's lively spirit. The city's rich history is beautifully preserved in the Barri Gòtic, the Gothic quarter, where narrow medieval streets lead to hidden squares and historic buildings. Barcelona is also synonymous with its sandy beaches, where locals and visitors alike bask in the sun and enjoy the turquoise waters of the Mediterranean Sea. Whether you're admiring the city's art and architecture or sipping coffee in a charming cafe, Barcelona's infectious energy is sure to leave an indelible mark on your heart. Number 2. Madrid. Madrid, the pulsating heart of Spain, is a city that seamlessly fuses tradition and modernity. As the country's vibrant capital, it exudes a lively atmosphere and a deep sense of history. Madrid is a treasure trove of cultural delights, boasting world-class museums such as the Prado Museum, where masterpieces by Goya, Velázquez, and El Greco grace the walls, offering art enthusiasts an enriching experience. The city's historic center, with its grand squares like Puerta del Sol and Plaza Mayor, is a testament to its rich heritage, while the elegant boulevards like Gran Via showcase its modern side, adorned with theaters, boutiques, and bustling cafes. Spaniards' love for life and celebration is palpable in Madrid, especially during festivals and events, where the streets come alive with music, dance, and laughter. Madrid is also a gastronomic paradise, with traditional tapas bars serving delectable bites, and innovative restaurants pushing the boundaries of culinary creativity. Whether you're exploring the magnificent Royal Palace, wandering through the lush Retiro Park, or simply indulging in the city's lively street life, Madrid offers an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Spain's rich cultural tapestry. Number 3. Seville. Seville, the jewel of Andalusia, enchants visitors with its rich cultural heritage, vibrant traditions, and architectural marvels. The city's crown jewel is the awe-inspiring Alcazar, a palace complex renowned for its intricate Mudéjar, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles, transporting visitors to a time of Moorish splendor. Seville's imposing cathedral, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a marvel of Gothic architecture and home to the tomb of Christopher Columbus, adding a touch of historical intrigue to the city. The charming Barrio Santa Cruz, with its narrow alleys, hidden squares, and fragrant orange trees, invites leisurely strolls, offering glimpses into Seville's medieval past. One of Seville's most captivating features is its passionate flamenco scene. The art of flamenco comes alive in intimate tablaos and historic venues, where soul-stirring music, expressive dance, and heartfelt singing create an unforgettable experience. With its warm ambience, historical treasures, and passionate spirit, Seville offers an authentic Spanish experience that lingers in the hearts of all who visit. Number 4. Granada. Nestled beneath the Sierra Nevada mountains in Andalusia, Granada is a city steeped in enchantment and history. Its crown jewel, the Alhambra Palace, stands as a testament to the city's Moorish past. With its intricate Islamic architecture, delicate archways, and lush gardens, the Alhambra offers a glimpse into the opulence of medieval Nasrid dynasty. Adjacent to the Alhambra lies the Generalife Gardens, a serene oasis of verdant beauty, where fountains dance and fragrant flowers perfume the air. The Albayacin, Granada's ancient Moorish quarter, is a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, whitewashed houses, and cozy tea houses, preserving the city's Moorish charm. As the sun sets, the Mirador de San Nicolas offers the most iconic view of the Alhambra, its towers bathed in the golden glow of the twilight, making it a must-visit spot for travelers and photographers alike. With its blend of architectural wonders, rich cultural heritage, and culinary delights, Granada is a city that weaves a magical spell, leaving an indelible mark on all who wander its historic streets. Number 5. Valencia. Nestled along the sun-kissed eastern coast of Spain, Valencia is a city that seamlessly merges ancient history with futuristic innovation. This vibrant metropolis is perhaps best known for its architectural marvel, the Ciudad de los Arts wide Los Ciencias, City of Arts and Sciences, a futuristic complex that houses an opera house, planetarium, science museum, and an oceanarium. These avant-garde structures reflect Valencia's commitment to cutting-edge design and technology, making it a beacon for art and science enthusiasts from around the world. Valencia's heart beats in its historic center, where the majestic Valencia Cathedral, home to the Holy Grail, stands as a symbol of the city's religious heritage. The nearby Plaza de la Virgen, with its ancient Roman ruins and medieval buildings, echoes with centuries of history, creating a charming ambience. Speaking of beaches, Valencia boasts some of Spain's finest coastal stretches. The Malvarosa Beach, with its golden sands and azure waters, invites both relaxation and vibrant beach activities. In the evenings, the beach promenade comes alive with locals and tourists enjoying the Mediterranean breeze, adding to Valencia's lively and welcoming atmosphere. Number 6. Ibiza. Nestled in the Balearic Islands of Spain, Ibiza has earned its reputation as the ultimate party paradise, drawing visitors with its electrifying nightlife and beautiful beaches. But beyond the pulsating clubs and beach parties, Ibiza has a soul that captivates the senses. Ibiza's beaches are nothing short of stunning. Powdery white sands meet crystal-clear turquoise waters, creating a picture-perfect setting for sunbathing and swimming. Cala Cont, Playa den Bossa, and Talamanca Beach are just a few of the island's coastal gems, each offering a unique atmosphere, from lively to serene. Yet, Ibiza isn't just about its beaches. The island is a haven for nature lovers, boasting lush forests, hidden coves, and dramatic cliffs. Es Vidra, a mystic rocky island just off Ibiza's coast, adds an air of mystery to the landscape, believed by some to be the third most magnetic place on Earth. Number 7. Mallorca. Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Mallorca, the largest of Spain's Balearic Islands, is a multifaceted gem that enchants travelers with its diverse offerings. With its stunning coastline, dramatic mountain ranges, and picturesque villages, Mallorca is a haven for nature lovers. The island's beaches are renowned for their pristine beauty. From the lively Playa de Palma to the secluded Cala Varques, Mallorca's shores cater to sunseekers, water sports enthusiasts, and those simply seeking tranquility by the sea. The Serra de Tramuntana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a striking backdrop to the island. This mountain range, with its winding trails and charming villages like Valdemasa and Dia, invites hikers and explorers to witness Mallorca's natural splendor. Mallorca's capital, Palma de Mallorca, is a vibrant city where historic architecture and modern amenities coexist harmoniously. The iconic Palma Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, overlooks the Mediterranean and serves as a testament to the island's rich history. Palma's old town, with its narrow alleys and hidden squares, exudes a timeless charm, while the city's bustling markets and gourmet restaurants showcase Majorca's culinary delights. Majorca is not just an island, it's an immersive experience where scenic landscapes, rich history, and culinary pleasures converge, inviting travelers to explore its every facet and create unforgettable memories along its sun-kissed shores. Number 8. Toledo. Toledo, the ancient city of Spain, is a captivating blend of history, culture, and architectural wonders. Perched high on a hill overlooking the Tagus River, this UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts a rich tapestry of influences, from Moorish and Jewish to Christian, creating a unique and enchanting atmosphere. At the heart of Toledo stands its architectural masterpiece, the Toledo Cathedral. This Gothic marvel, often hailed as one of the greatest Gothic cathedrals in Spain, features intricate carvings, stunning stained glass windows, and a treasury of religious artifacts. Nearby, the Alcazar of Toledo, a medieval fortress, offers panoramic views of the city and serves as a reminder of Toledo's strategic significance throughout history. One of Toledo's most iconic symbols is the Alcantara Bridge, an ancient Roman bridge that spans the Tagus River, connecting the city to the surrounding countryside. Walking across this bridge is like stepping back in time, imagining the countless generations that have traversed its path. Toledo is also famous for its traditional Damascene craftsmanship, known for intricate metalwork and inlaid gold on steel, creating beautiful swords, jewelry, and other artifacts. Number 9. San Sebastian. San Sebastian, nestled along the picturesque Bay of Biscay in Spain's Basque Country, is a city of unparalleled beauty, culinary excellence, and cultural richness. Known as Donostia in Basque, this charming seaside town is a paradise for food enthusiasts, nature lovers, and art aficionados alike. San Sebastian's crown jewel is La Concha Beach, a crescent-shaped stretch of golden sand embraced by turquoise waters and embraced by lush green hills. The beach, often hailed as one of the most beautiful urban beaches in Europe, invites sunbathers, surfers, and beachcombers to unwind against the backdrop of the stunning Concha mountain. Nearby, Monte Urgel offers panoramic views of the city and the bay, providing an ideal spot for a leisurely hike and a glimpse into San Sebastian's maritime history. Number 10. Cordoba. Cordoba, an ancient city in Andalusia, Spain, is a captivating blend of Islamic and Christian influences, showcased through its stunning architecture, historic landmarks, and cultural heritage. At the heart of Cordoba stands the magnificent Mosque Cathedral, or Mezquita, a testament to the city's Moorish past. This architectural marvel features a forest of horseshoe arches, intricate tilework, and a mesmerizing mihrab, blending Islamic and Christian elements in a harmonious fusion. The Mezquita stands as an emblem of the city's rich multicultural history, where Islamic, Christian, and Jewish communities once coexisted. Cordoba is also known for its lively festivals, with the most famous being the Patio Festival, where residents open their beautifully decorated courtyards to the public, showcasing a riot of colors, fragrant flowers, and traditional Andalusian architecture. That concludes our journey through the 10 best places to visit in Spain. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Hasta luego, and happy travels!